Engage your quadriceps. Good. Look forward. Now, close your right knee joints. Come forward. Now we move into our pigeon back bend, which is called Eka Pada Rajakapotasana. Place your fingers on the ground and first, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, let's lift the chest. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, let's lift the chest. One more. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, lift the chest. Stay here. 1, 2, you could kind of rock your hips a little bit for the hold. 3, or you can keep it steady, your choice. 4, 5, right hand. Come down to the other side. Take a moment, you can lean a little into the left hip. If there's any problem in your right knee, you can do this seated on a block to elevate the hips, giving the knee a little more space. Then I'd like you to bend your left leg, find the strap. We're gonna have to lasso the foot again to find that end part of the strap. Lasso the foot. All right, that's good. Make sure it's nice and stable. Hold on tightly, and then give it a little pull and release. Pull and release. Take it over the shoulder. Hold on tight. 1, 2, 3. Push a little back. Pull a little forward. Push a little back. Hold. 4, 5. Take it over your head. Hold on to the strap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give a little pull. 5. And drop the head back. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Steady. 4. And 5. Let's let it go. Now see if we can reach with the arms extended. 1, 2, 3. Almost there. 4. And 5. Hands on the hips. Remove the strap. All right. Hands on the ground. And then inhale all the way back to downward facing dog.